It all started with a song, then footsteps. Geppetto found me, brought me home, fixed me up, gave me life. Geppetto's granddaughter, Lucy. I said hello. We became fast friends. There were other robots in the house, doing things I was too small to help with. They could always tell when I was lying. They told me a real robot helps around the house. So I went to the other room, but Geppetto said the same thing. So I went to the toys room to watch the sun go down. I didn't care if I was real or not. Me and Lucy could never decide what to do next, so we spun for it. Sometimes she got her way. Sometimes I got mine. We found some parts. I got an upgrade. I was a big boy now. Could help around the house, at least with most things. Could help fix broken things. Sometimes people were broken. I helped fix them too. Some cases were worse than others. Sometimes there was barely anything left. But we made them whole. Made them dare look in the mirror again. And sometimes only one thing survived. But in this house, that was enough. I was big enough to help around the house, but real robots don't run on batteries. Geppetto told me real children had a heart. I was done trying to be real. I didn't care anymore. Lucy never tried to be real. She always played at being something else. But it was my turn now. This time, real robots weren't afraid of fire. And real children had eyes through which the soul could be seen. I never told him where I got it. Maybe I went too far. Maybe I took too much. It's not that important to me anyway. Or maybe I haven't gone far enough. Maybe real souls are only forged in flame. Maybe metal had to be earned. Maybe a soul had to be stolen. No matter what I do, I'm never real. Maybe there are things you can't take. I don't want to be real anymore. Okay, one last spin. Okay, I'll go all the way. I may not be a real boy, but